Welcome to another video and episode on my Raspberry Pi 2, which is running Ubuntu Linux and using a robot operating system. Attached to the Raspberry Pi is the RaspberryPi Plus with the serial cable, and stuck to it also HDMI cable for this monitor, as well as a network cable for VNC, virtual network computing, and this band cable for a breadboard with some electronics and fischertechnik stuff. Here should be a motor, also from fischertechnik, and that is this one, to make the picture complete. And let's hook it up, although it doesn't do anything because it's not programmed yet, and that is the next topic. Because so far I haven't been very lucky to get it programmed in C++. Last time I tried to create another package, and that package was supposed to incorporate a custom message, because that is the core of the problem. Why are in Python custom messages, custom nodes not used? They are created, but they somehow don't function. They can't be found. And in C++ now I am unable to create them or to use them anyway. So what I intend to do right now in this episode is to follow the tutorials and see if that makes things better, because if they don't, I can just as well stop with the whole series, because there's a problem in versioning then, which there already is, because somehow the tutorials don't match up with my attempts anyway. So I want again to be able to address this one, this LED, this LED, this LED, as well as this activate this phototransistor and this motor. Last time I ended with an attempt to do it in Python once again, and despite that everything ran, nothing happened at all. So that is not very nice. How does it not work? I don't know. Not a clue. ROS works. That was a problem as well. But for now, no such thing. Anyway, time to get to the virtual network computing environment and see if I can get things to work finally. Let's have a look. Alright, so how should I continue? I have RaspberryPi, I have RaspberryPi new, and I have, I see that I sourced something, but I didn't start ROS core, which is absolutely necessary to get going, which I as always will start in here. Now let's see if that works. Yeah, that works. Okay, so that is one plus point. This a little bit down. So how about the tutorial? I need to create another package, which is I should do in source. So step by step. Source Yeah, I am bound to use VNC, because if you have seen the last time that I have used the monitor, it is on an impossibly large, or I should rather say small resolution, a very low resolution. This is a Raspberry Pi, and the tool that a Raspberry Pi uses for adjusting the screen resolution is not included in Ubuntu. It is, or at least not in the Ubuntu version that I'm using. And it is in Raspbian, which is not the same version. So that is the whole problem. I can't adjust that, so it's more or less unusable. That's why with this resolution I can only use VNC. Having said that, I need to create a package, and I can follow the tutorials to the letter, but I don't like to do that. So I will be stubborn once again, and I'll just start one anew. It's just a name after all. ROS create package. Then I will be flipping back and forth. No. It is catkin create package. Ooh. Okay. Catkin create package. Then I will abandon robot Pi. I will say Raspberry Pi fischertechnik. Okay, that is very different from the package names I have used so far, but it is on the Raspberry Pi, and I'm going to use fischertechnik. These two. So let's do this. Okay. Then standard messages ROS-Pi ROS-CPP. Okay. std underscore msgs ROS-Pi and ROS-CPP. Fine. Is that it? That's all I should do. Optionally, a list of dependencies. Well, I have listed no dependencies yet, because there are no dependencies yet. So let's use it just like this. Go. Alright. Package created. Did I? I did. I did. Right hand side in blue, Raspberry Pi FT. Great. Next, catkin make. Catkin make, and after that one setup.bash. Well, that is what I already did, but can't hurt. So catkin make. Oh, where do I do that then? Oh, I have to go out of the source directory. Catkin make. And actually I should remove all the other packages to keep it as clean as possible, because they don't work anyway. So I guess I should do that. keep it as clean as possible. And yes, alright, so from here I am going to remove rm space minus rf, remove with force. And you have to do that because otherwise you don't remove, in Linux and Unix you don't remove, if you don't use minus rf you will not remove directories, and I want them to be gone completely. On the other hand, I have some packages, some messages. So what is wise to do? Very good question. Robot FTP. Robot Pi FT. That's a good one. Let it go or don't let it go? Good question. Alright, I decided to copy all those messages to a new directory called a backup directory. Anyway, they are safe now, and I'm in here. So right now I can say remove. Oh, I have to be very careful with that, because then I would remove this one as well, and that is not what should happen. So I have to pick them by hand, which is no problem. Oh no, because this is the newest. Alright, this makes sure that all the other ones go away. Yes. Now this one still exists. Yes. So that is fine. Consequence is that I have to redo cat can make. Because everything else has been removed. That is better, a lot better. Now, next step, source everything, like I used to do. Alright, next step. A few package dependencies were provided, can now be reviewed. Okay, ROS pack. Let's see. ROS pack. And no command given. So how to proceed? Oh, that is difficult. So let's review. Should I then say depends? Okay, depends one. Is that indeed a command? apparently. Depends 1 is apparently a command. So I will say RaspberryPi2 okay. Well, apparently that is a command, so I'm fine. And then I should examine package XML. Is that indeed the way this is shown? That is very important right now. So cd to source. There's a package XML. Very important point. This one. So here build tool depend and then 3 build depends. Build tool depend, yeah, alright. That is alright. Well, they do cat, but I did VL, doesn't matter. I don't have dependencies now. Customizing your package. So description should have my name. It does. Description. Oh, no. Yeah, it does. The Raspberry Pi FT package. It does have the name I gave it. Maintainer. Doesn't matter right now. It's me, but who cares right now? BSD license. If you want to know what BSD is, well, it is Berkeley Software Department from the Berkeley Department of the University of California. But that is all something else. Next, very important, build tool. Yeah, I did check. And then build depend. Yeah. But next, there's no export. Exact depend. Build export depend. I will take it that it is good. But is it good? That is a very, very big question right now. And I am not sure. I am not sure at all. Because this was a bottleneck in the rest. But anyway, I will file this and let's see whatever happens next. And time is limited for this video, of course. Okay, this will be covered later. Let's build. And that has to be this one. Using Catkin. I know. And this will be Catkin make everything. Alright, so whatever. I have to do it in here, in this one, because as this tutorial says, you have to be in the root of the workspace. I am here in the root. Getkin make go. Alright, no errors yet. And then you go to the ROS nodes, and that is indeed an, well, yeah, I don't need this one. I want to go to messages, which is something entirely different. Next step, messages. Well, here, and I've done this many times before, but it tends to go wrong, so I'm very curious how this will go. Header, child, and some custom to other. Alright, creating a message. So I'm going to my own directory, which is here. I am there. Create and make there. Yes, which is there. And now let's see this one. Right here at the right side of the screen, the lowest terminal. I want to see what this is about again. Okay, so it leaves out header and the other things. It just says, okay, you can do with this. Well, let's just do that once again. And I need to do that with different name. Let's use a very different name. It's called data. Well, let's use the name data. So here we say echo into that one. Let's do exactly the same thing. It will be created. Echo int 32 array data into message. Well, let's well, why do they use capital? Let's use a capital for what I care. Data.msg. I don't mind. Right. So now I'm very curious if it is indeed there. It is. I can add the second one, although let's just keep it like this. I don't mind. Just one. Now I have to add or append change package XML to message generation and message runtime. So I'm going into package XML. And I have to enable something, but where is it? Where is it anyway? I can't really find this. one command. Build depend and exec depend. I have right. Oh wait, they're here. Hold on. One is wait a second. So how do I know how to uncomment it? And that's a big problem here. Oh, of course. It's an XML file, so I have to remove this one. And then in the end, I have to remove this one, message generation, and I have also to add, or yes, message runtime. And that is this one. Alright, here we are. Message generation, message runtime. And it may be that that was the whole culprit with the other packages. But who knows? And then CMake list. So let's go on and fix this. Alright. CMake list.text. The packages are there. Oh, I need to add message generation. Alright, message generation will be added. So, in find package, really? In find package, okay. Message generation, so be it. And my message has to be there as well, which is data. So I have to go here, and this is not XML. So I have to remove these, and this one can be removed, and this one has to be changed into data. Yeah, like here they add none. And the rest, okay. Now I actually need to compile again, I think. Now you're ready to generate. Okay, if you want to do so right now, skip next sections to common step. Alright, I don't mind. And then we say catkin make install. Good. that's the final thing I'm doing today for this one. So I'm going here, catkin, make, install. What will happen? It ends without an error. And I want to ROS message show. Okay, ROS message show. Show, and then it will be oh, okay, and that's it. Okay, so this works so far. Will the rest work as well? I can only hope, but I am already past time limit, so I have to wrap up for now. But this looks promising, so I think the generation and the runtime were the errors I made. Although I'm not quite sure, because I removed it, so be it. Alright, and I may have been a bit rigorous because I just realized I removed the working Python version as well. But so be it, I can't recover it. It didn't work the way I liked, the way I wanted anyway. So maybe good and start all over, whichever. Well, of course I have the old stuff, so I can recreate it. That's the advantage. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Maybe things go better now. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up, like it, leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like and leave a comment. And you can also follow me on Instagram. Please like it, leave a comment. Please show your appreciation by making a small donation or become a patron and have your name mentioned as a supporter. Your name will be then mentioned on my website, but also with my video, depending on the pledge you make. And this is obviously going to be continued. So, thanks for watching.